Welcome back to another outdoor family adventure. So I've just found these guys and they've caught a huge fish.
You did all right today.
We headed from River Valley to Smoke Mount Campground, which is nearby, as the River Valley Campground will be closed next season. Then we headed off to Asheville, North Carolina, to visit some old friends from the Cayman Islands and to do some climbing. So we're here in Asheville and we are at this treetop adventure park. And we're checking out to see if the kids are going to do another zipline adventure or if they are going to possibly do some climbing up in the trees. So we think that we're going to skip this adventure because for Cameron's age, 4 to 6 years old, you have to have an adult with you, and we've already done this one time in the Nantahala, and Cameron and the adults feel that he's way past that level. So we're gonna go check out the climbing gym, maybe do some rappelling.
Look at your feet. Move your feet up first.
Put your feet there and then your hand there.
There you go. Move your feet up now. Look where your feet are going. You got a foot off.
Oh, I think I'm good. I'm coming down.
Come on, go a little higher.
No, I'm scared.
Okay, just put your feet.
I'm stuck.
No, let go and you'll slowly come down. Just keep your feet on the wall. There you go. Just let go.
Just let go. Okay.
You don't have to down climb. Just let go. It's gonna slow you down.
Just push out and then.
There you go. Put your feet on the wall. Feet on the wall. There you go.
My turn. Mom, how do I do that?
Just let go and fall.
That was fun. Ready now?
Go ahead.
Have fun. This is Danielle Henry going to, climb a very high wall.
Our next stop was the Asheville Museum of Science, a place to explore, play, and learn. North Carolina's home for science, learning, discovery, and exploration. We had a fantastic time using our imagination and some curiosity.
We already got surfing. Then what is this surfing going on?
Find it on the map.
I don't know. I think it might be this thing.
Now you got your shape. Now you got to add your tools. You need power.
Making a spacecraft.
Now we're going to put this.
Okay. Put your science on the side. And now take it over here. Over here. Do you have navigation?
Yes.
You have science.
Yes.
You're ready to go. Strap it down. Spacecrafts are going to spin a lot. Does everything fall off? Oh! That's all right. That wasn't part of what we needed anymore.
No. I gotta tighten that up a lot so it doesn't fall.
All right. I don't think it's going to fall out. Here we go.
Hey, Dad, look, the way you spin it, that thing's supposed to spin.
Yep. All right. So you holding together?
Mine's standing the shake test.
Yeah.
Can you go faster?
We lost someone now.
spending a few hours in the museum exploring and learning after a morning of climbing was a perfect way to spend the afternoon. The next morning, it was time to leave Asheville, which was an adventure in itself, pulling the RV out of this tiny little driveway from my friend's house in the outskirts of Asheville. As you can see, the streets are small and a little challenging to maneuver, but with some patience, good communication, and our walkie-talkies, we managed to make it out.
Yeah, keep going straight, keep going straight. Now turn the wheel to the right. Straighten out. Yeah, you're good. I would go all the way to your left, and then you'll be able to come out. It's clear to the left. Car coming, truck coming.
It was now time to head south to the Pisgah Forest, known for all its outdoor activities.
Well, we've made it to Davidson Creek National Forest. Looks like they haven't had much rain. The river is quite low. Going to check in to our campground.
I'm good. How are you today? Yeah, we're the Henrys.
And before we find our campsite, we're just filling with a little fresh water because this is a campground that has no hookup. So we'll be living off what we have in the RV. Boopy dum!
Prostate check. Down the hole.
Two of these
River.
put together.
Yes, there is. Down to the hole.
Oh.
One-handed use only. Like it's good and flushed out.
Feels like
Really
it's
don't
thick.
She's not in it. Good work, boys.
Oh, give me that!
Meet our friends from the Cayman Islands. They recently moved up to Asheville and drove down to spend the day with us. We took them on a hike and over to a local's favorite hidden gem, Little Sliding Rock. Not as touristy as the famous Sliding Rock off the main highway.
We're here at our campsite number 139 at Davidson River Campground. The boys are there playing some Legos. We just did a little bit of schoolwork and we're going to head on down to the river again to do some playing in the little play area down here. We went on a tubing adventure this morning and walked back. The river is very, very, very low, extremely low, almost ankle deep low. Hey guys. Do you want to go down and show Grammy G the river?
Yep.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the river or stream to go swimming.
So we just have a nice short walk around this bend and then about another 50 feet from there. We just love this roadside campground because it's super quiet. You can see it from the road here where Cameron's just come down.
Maybe. Mom, if you wanted to, you could go in that too.
You can see here the river is super low. If you look down there, I mean, it's only ankle deep. was the end of our watering hole adventure. The kids had an excellent time jumping off that rock. We're gonna head back to the RV, have a snack. Are you cold? Do you want a hot chocolate?
Thanks for watching. A like or a share is greatly appreciated. See you next time. Cheers!